In this video, I'll show you how to bet on Megapari. This is very easy. Subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional Megapari account. To do that, click on register, fill in your details from choosing your country to your email address, repeat your password, and in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LeoTV. If you use the promo code LeoTV, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you might receive $300. Once that is done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So for you to bet on Megapari, here's what to do. The first is to choose the event to bet on, and there are two types of events. There is live events and there is pre-match. Live events means these are games that are currently going on right now, while pre-match are games that are coming up. So if you choose the event you want to bet on, it can be on pre-games or live event. So if you choose a pre-match, for instance, as you can see on my screen here, there is a match between Real Madrid and Real Sociedad coming up today. So if you choose to bet on this match, for example, you go over here. There are three first options. There is W1, there's X, and there is W2. W1 means I'm betting for Real Madrid to win. W2 means I'm betting for Real Sociedad to win. While X means I'm betting for both teams to draw. So you just choose anyone you're comfortable with, and then go over here and place a bet. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how you bet on Megapari. So choose a bet and go ahead and place it. And if it's good, it's going to be valid. And if your team wins,